So your first step is to do a circle check. Now what that is checking your fluid levels and your tire pressure. So what you want to do is, you see your oil down here, you want to pull that dipstick out. Now you see you might want to wipe that off. So
I don't have any paper towel or anything.
Okay. So, all right, that should be all right anyways. All right, you can put it back in. In tight. Now you want to check your diesel level. So the red cap there. Then you take that filter out. Now look down inside. See how much is in there?
Yeah, it's like quarter tank.
Alright, that should be enough for now. Now you want to come down and give your tires a nice little kick on the side. Feel pretty strong. Same to the other one. Alright. Now you want to go to your back one, you can give a little more lenience because it's filled with nutrients inside.
What do you mean by that?
It's just to help with load the tires for more weight. Then you can try your other one in the back. Now you can hop up inside there. Just watch that gear shifter when you get in between. Just watch you don't kick it. You can move those vice grips. Alright, now you got two pedals on the floor here. You've got your clutch right there. This pedal here, that's your clutch, right? Okay. And then on this side you got your brake, and those are you got a little switch in there that can take them off so you can brake individually, but you probably won't need that right now. So you can pull your hand throttle right there. You can pull that up just a little bit, probably go about halfway. Then now you got your key. Now you can put on the glow plug for a couple seconds, so I'll let you do that. Probably about maybe 8 seconds or so.
Okay.
Alright, now turn it to on. Now you got down here, you got your decompression valve. You see right here?
Yeah.
Now you want to turn that.
Where is it again?
This one. You want to turn that and hold it down like that. Now what that's going to do is going to relieve the pressure out of your engine. Okay. Now you want to turn your key. Now let it up. I don't think the battery died.
Okay.
Keep going. Nope, battery dead. Oh shit, the starter's frozen. Damn it.
Okay, so what happened?
Your starter's frozen. Battery up. Charging. Okay, so hooked up now. Put the throttle up. And then just like that. Do that lever down beside you there, that one there, that's going to lift your blade up in the air. Alright, Now just nice and gently pull it up. You'll hear the engine start to work once it gets up and up. Keep going, it'll go right up beside you. Keep going. A little more. There you go. Go right up. Alright, now, you see there's this little notch in here. You don't want to go up past that, so you just want to stay just outside of it.
Where's the notch?
There's a little notch right up in there that you see. You don't want to go up into there.
Oh, okay.
So that's about as high
I
as
see it now.
Now you can put your throttle up a little bit more. A little less. Alright. And now what else you've got is your foot throttle. Right below the right there. No, the other. Yeah, that's your foot throttle.
Okay.
So if you start putting a load on it, now what you want to do so you don't stall is you want to put a little bit of force on that, and that's just like you're going to use that. It's just going to have only so much force on it, and once you let off, it'll just go to what the set throttle rate is. Okay? So now you want to put your foot in on the clutch. Now you want to switch that lever up. This is your park and brake. That released it. Alright, so now I'll put you in low gear, so you want to put that knob down. That's going to put you in the low gear, all the way down. Now, you got clutch in, you got first gear, all the way back, second gear, third, fourth, and reverse. So what you're probably going to want to start, I'll start you in second. So now, you're going to want to, now the blade's in the air, lift it up a little more.
Yeah, it's past that. It's at the notch
Okay.
already.
Now, you want to slowly let out on the clutch. Slowly let out. A little more. And then you're going to start to feel it move. And there you go. You can let it right out. Right out. There you go. Then you got your wheel. So then hop up one here with you. So now, if you want to stop, just push it on the clutch, and then put on the brake.
That's the brake?
Yeah, those are your brakes. And then if you want to go in reverse, pull it back out of gear. That's it, back in first now. You want to pull it out. Now, can you move it side to side? Now put it up, and there you're in reverse. You want to let out on the brake and the clutch again. And that's your low gear reverse. So that's your slowest possible in reverse. So if you want to go a little bit faster, all you have to do is push your clutch in. And then that lever down beside your leg there, you want to pull that all the way back.
This is to go faster in reverse?
Yeah, that's putting you in high range.
Okay.
So that's going to make all your gears a little bit faster. So, now, you can take your foot off the brake now. And now you can let off the clutch. And you're going to go back a little bit faster. You'll feel it start to grab. No, alright. Push the clutch in. Now pull that back again. Because it didn't lock in. Now let off, hold on to that lever, put weight on the lever, now slowly let the clutch out because it's going to lock it into gear. There you go, you're locked in. So now you can slowly let off, and away you go. Then if you want to stop again, just push in the clutch, and then you got your brake, then you can pull it back out of gear. If you want to go a little faster, go into fourth. So pull it straight back, and then push it right forward.
The brake's forward?
Put the gear shifter straight forward. And there you go. You're in 4th gear and low. So you can go ahead. So now that you got that down, what you can do is you're down at your brakes there. You see how there's 2 pedals? Now underneath, if you feel, there's a little switch down here that you can pull it up and it'll separate your brakes apart. So if you want to put your hand down there, you go over the top of the brake, over the top of the pedal. Now go, and then you feel that little piece of metal. Now you want to switch that up because it's not frozen.
I'm not seeing it, I'm not feeling it.
No?
Oh no, I do feel it. I think it's frozen.
Alright, if it's frozen then don't worry about it.
Okay.
But, so now, you're out of gear. There, now you're in completely neutral, so you can let the clutch out and you're not going to move anywhere.
Because I'm not here.
Yeah. So then if you put the brake down, then you can pull back on that lever, and that puts your parking brake on, and then you can kick it out, and then you can push it back. Yeah, you can push that back up, and that'll take your brakes off. And now you've got your front wheel drive lock. See there? You pull that lever back, and it'll turn your front drive off. That one needs a little force. There you go. Now the only power that you're gonna get is in your back wheels.
Okay, so that's pretty much a 4-wheel drive thing?
No, that's now it's in 2-wheel drive. If you push that forward again, see how it says on? Yeah. That's gonna turn your 4x4 on.
Okay.
So now if you wanna go into 4th gear, all right, I'll jump on with you. Now if you want to slowly let the clutch out, there you go. And you push it back in again, then there you're stopped. Now if we had the snowblower on the front, that lever there, the one right beside your window, that would lift your ram up if we had the snowblower on the front. And then you've got your lift and lower on your 3-point hitch, and then that's basically all you have to do to drive. So, all right, certificate of approval. All right.